What's good, YouTube? Kevo gang, we back in the building with another trading video, you feel me? Hey, and today, man, as I read from the title, man, I am officially back. But I took a break from YouTube, period, man. I went on YouTube for like 2-3 months, man, because I had to get my psychology right. I had to really lock in and like just figure out what I was doing wrong with my trading so that I could take it to another level and so that I could help as many people as I can. So yeah, man, I just want to say I'm back. I feel a lot better. I feel a lot more confident. I'm just more confident in myself, man, and my abilities. I kept doubting myself. I kept like thinking that like my strategy wasn't as good as everybody else's, and just being my own hater, and I had to stop that. And once I did that, man, I just became just like a new me, and I just feel so much better. That's why I'm coming back on YouTube. I feel like I'm ready to just really do this like full on every day and just help y'all, man. Just give value. I'm gonna give away everything. I'm gonna give away how to pass these prop firm challenges. I'm gonna give away my whole strategy of like how I do it. Like I'm gonna just give it away for free. I'm gonna just give y'all all the sauce, man. So let me know down below if this help y'all or not. I'm not sure if it's gonna help y'all or not, but just let me know if it help y'all, and just let me know how my teaching is, and we're gonna do it. We're gonna rock out. You feel me? We're gonna rock out. I just wanna just give y'all like a little rundown of what I've been going through lately, man. The reason why I took a break from YouTube was because I simply feel like I lost myself. Started just doing random stuff. I started just being out of character. I started being a disciplined trader, and I went on a nasty losing streak, like man, like basically just gambling. Like that is just basically gambling. Like I had no structure. Like I had the strategy and the skill set, but you also need structure. Now structure is really what's gonna take you to the next level with trading, because it really help you stay in line. It keep you disciplined. You feel me? It's a structure. I had no structure, gang. I'm waking up anytime. I'm training anytime. I'm over trading because I didn't have my trading plan intact. Like I have a bomb trading plan, but I never used it. You feel me? But now I'm using it and I'm winning. I'm like, yeah, let me use my trading plan, man. And now I haven't lost in like 4 weeks. Like this is one of my longest win. No, actually, this is not even like my longest winning streak. Yes, it is. Like this is my longest winning streak week wise. You feel me? I had a couple red days, but throughout the weeks I'm winning. Like I'm on like a 4-week winning streak as we speak right now. Like literally 4-week winning streak. I'm doing great. I'm disciplined, and it's amazing. So I just want to come on and just tell like what I've been going through, man. I went through like a rough patch. I had to get some stuff in order, a lot of personal stuff, man. But I got everything, you know, coming together. My mind getting right, reading books. It's like it's crazy. Like you really gotta get your mindset right, man, for real. Cause like when you start like getting off social media and just start reading books and like books like these, man, like this book right here, man, like doing some shadow work, man, like really working on yourself. Cause like trading, like you gotta work on yourself. So doing that self work is like the best thing you could do, man. I'm like y'all think I'm capping. You can have any strategy and still be a not profitable trader, not a CPT. Literally, like for real, like you literally could have everything in a book lined up. Like that's what I had. I got a perfect strategy. I got the skill set. I've been trading for 3 years straight. I got it in the bag, but my psychology was terrible, gang, like terrible. But now it's getting on the right track. I feel it, and I'm a profitable trader. You feel me? So in my next 2 videos, man, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I passed this prop firm challenge, but they didn't let me get to the next stage. I'm gonna tell y'all about that too in my next video, and then I'm gonna be showing y'all my strategy on how I actually passed the prop firms. You feel me? But I'm gonna give y'all a story time next on this prop firm that I'm dealing with currently right now. Man, like y'all not gonna believe what happened, bro. Like for real, like y'all gotta be careful of these prop firms, for real. Like I don't even want to trade prop firms for real no more, but I'm just trying to get a nice little payout. Then I'm done with prop firms, gang. I ain't gonna lie to you, cause like they be it's just too many like loopholes. But anyways, that's for the next video. I'm back, man. I'm ready to hit my first 1,000 subscribers on my trading channel. Let's do it, man. Kevo gang, we out, man. Peace, nigga.
I turn around, man, this bitch, I'm killing shit like I'm Herb. You can't fuck with me, I do that shit, I rap this straight to burst. All the fuck you talking about, bitch, I'm against it on me. And let be the fucking till you fucking know me. I'm Kevo gang in this bitch, 100 count away. Bitch, we in this bitch T every fucking day.